So can someone patent someone else's product, which is already in use, but isn't patented? That's a no, and even Matt knew that one.
I knew that. Even I knew that. I might be stupid, but I'm not dumb. Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Right. Hey, well, I mean, that's the thing. It's a fair. I love it. It's a decent question. And the answer is no. For I can pay two good reasons. One, you're not the inventor. Okay. That is one some people kind of forget. Okay. As you're going through considering whether to file something with the patent office, that is number one. You will swear an oath that, hey, you came up with this. You, on your own, conceived of it, brought it about, created it, invented it. You cannot seek a patent on something you didn't invent. All right. And number two, if it's been in the public, right? If it's already in use, you're saying, yeah, it's been in use, even if you did invent it for more than a year, you're out of time. There's a really strict statutory bar for 1 year. And so if it's been out in the public for sale, or even if it's been offered for sale for more than a year, you're out of luck, even if you were the inventor. So those two kind of issues are at the heart of the answer. So sorry, you're out of luck. Not a good idea.
Nope.